Hi, I'm Mariah, and this is episode 14 of 33, the story of my life and my diagnosis with bipolar disorder. Today's episode is about my heart condition I got diagnosed with as a teenager. The theme is dealing with mitral valve prolapse, year age 14. It started with a flutter, a skip, a sudden thump that felt wrong. I was maybe 13 or 14, too young to feel like my heart was betraying me, old enough to know it wasn't normal. Everyone told me it was anxiety, that I was dramatic, that it was just hormones, but I knew my body and something didn't feel right. Eventually they listened and I got sent in for testing. EKGs, heart monitors I had to wear for months, cold gel across my chest, wires stuck to my ribs, treadmill tests, ultrasounds. They ended up diagnosing me with mitral valve prolapse, which is basically when your heart leaks a little bit. It squirts a little bit of blood backwards every time my heart pumps, which is something they told me wasn't dangerous yet. It's the most common heart disease. About 2% of the population is diagnosed with it, and it's heavily under-researched, and especially was when I got diagnosed 15, 16 years ago. I was told just to keep an eye on it, but no one told me how scary it would feel. I had to wear a heart monitor at school at night while trying to fall asleep. I would lay there with white noise on, not for relaxation, but to drown out the sound of my own heartbeat. I was terrified of the sound of my own heartbeat. It scared me. Every thump felt like a question. Every pause felt like it might be the last. I was terrified to exercise, terrified to feel anything in my chest at all. When I got older, it followed me into pregnancy, into labor. I had to have a C-section, just in case. I remember being wired up again, machines beeping, strangers hovering over me like I was something fragile. I had some heart doctors tell me I looked like a stroke victim, and some heart doctors tell me I looked completely fine. I was being medically gaslit about my own heart, and it was terrifying. There was one time I looked in the mirror and thought I had a stroke. My body felt glitched. Normal 1 second, terrifying the next. It wasn't just about the diagnosis, it was about trust. I stopped trusting my own body. I would check my pulse at random, panic over skipped beats, avoid anything that raised my heart rate, because even though they said I was okay, I didn't feel okay. Living with a heart condition, no matter how mild, rewires something. You start living like your body might betray you at any time, and that's what no one talks about. When your body becomes a question mark, you start to live like a footnote in your own story. But I'm still here, my heart still beats, usually too fast, sometimes out of rhythm, but it beats. And I'm learning, slowly, gently, that even glitchy hearts are worthy of trust. That was episode 14. I'll be back tomorrow at 3:33 with episode 15. Thank you for following along if you have so far, and I will see you tomorrow.